Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chimekova, that Igbo girl that keeps winning every day. I'm here up with another tutorial for you. I have a Gele tutorial for you guys. I made this tutorial just for you with all the loving in my heart. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. So guys, I'm just putting the pleats on her head. When I'm putting the pleats, I'll have to be careful just to arrange it very well and make sure it's in order. So I'll cross the gele over to the other side. She would hold one side while I bring the other side to start my pleats. So guys, I'm just putting few pleats, maybe 3 to 4 pleats before the fan starts. So guys, when tying this heater, you need to be patient. You don't need to rush so that you can get it very well. You need to take your time. You put your fan one after the other. You take your time so your fan will come out very fine and very neat. You can see the way the fan is turning out. It's coming out very fine. So when I get to this point, I'll just twist the remaining part and take it to the back and secure it with my pin. So you can see me securing it with my pin at the back. So to make the fan stand very well, I'll have to also secure it with my pin at that edge, at that point. So now I would bring the remaining part of the gele, the other side. I'll bring it over to this side and try and put pleats. I'll try and put the pleats, twist it and secure it with my pin at the back of the fan. So guys, you have to try this gele out. It's very easy. You try it out. I want to see what you have to say in the comment section below. Try it and tell me your suggestion, what you feel about this tutorial, if it was easy for you. But trust me guys, it's very easy, very easy tutorial. Like, this is very easy way to tie your fan gele. So once I secure it at the back, the hair tie is just good to go. All I just need to do is to arrange and put some finishing touches in the hair tie. So guys, I'll have to secure the back now with pin to make sure the back is very firm. I'll secure it with pin and make the back look very fine. I'll try to hide all the flaws in the hair tie and make sure it's very fine. That's it. Thanks guys for watching. This is the final look of the gele. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Catch you in my next video. Bye.